What's going on, you guys? So today I'm going to be reviewing and unboxing the SUNPOW metal detector. I just got it for around $30 off Amazon, and we're going to see how it works. I have not opened it yet, so it looks like it'll go from negative 35 degrees it'll operate in to 158 Fahrenheit. So that's pretty good, I would say. Comes with a 9-volt battery and it's very light. So, battery life 16 hours as well. So let's get it opened and see what we're working with. Also, it's model OT-MD01. You can find it on Amazon if you're looking to get one, or if you're on this video because you are looking to buy one and you want to know more about it. Alright, so now we're going to unbox it and we're going to see what exactly comes with it. So right off the bat, we got a 9-volt heavy duty battery. Of course, if you don't want to use this, Dollar General usually has some cheap ones, Duracell. So this is what we got. Nothing else in the box. So it comes in a cool little pouch. It's got the name on it. So, see what exactly we got here. Looks like a flashlight. So it's got this little belt loop thing. You can Velcro it to your belt and have it on your side at all times, which is pretty cool, I would say. It's got this little, yeah. Okay. And let's see what else we got in here. A warranty card. All right. Thank you for purchasing SUNPOW product. Okay. So, you go to Facebook, you can get an extra 3-month warranty. It's a pretty cheap one, so I mean, it's up to you. It's got a 90-day worry-free money-back guarantee, which is always good. So that's pretty cool. And they have a number on here you can call and talk to someone if you have any problems. Let's see what else comes in the pouch. Operating book. Okay. What's we got in here? Oh, sweet. So that's really cool. So you could attach this, I'm sure, to the, right here. So it's got a little clamp right there. You could put this on your waist so you don't have to worry about dropping it or whatever. Just like that. Cool. That's really cool. That'll be great. All right. So now I'm going to pop the battery in and we'll see how it is from there. Just got the battery in, so let's see what we're working with here. So first off, it has a flashlight, which to me that's awesome. So let's see. I'll take this off for now. Just see what we're working with here. The alarm will get obviously more intense as the metal detector is moving closer to the metal target with a pinpointing tip with side scan capability. Okay, let's see. An LED flashlight in the dark and low light conditions. Okay, it has a waterproof rating, so it can operate at maximum sensitivity without any need of adjustments. All right. So I have a penny right here. I don't know if you guys can see. There's a penny right here, and we're going to just test it out on the penny so we can see what we're working with. Powering on. Press and release the button while holding the detector away from any metallic. The LED light will illuminate and the detector will vibrate to indicate it is on. And to turn it off, you hold it. So, okay. So I just turned it on. It is on. So let's see. So as you guys can see, So it stops picking it up, 1/2 inch. Hey guys, so I'm just gonna show you guys how well it works. So I'm gonna use a sinker right here, about that far. So it stops right there. So okay, so it's a sinker, nickel. So there you go. And part of a lure. So I mean, it seems like it's working pretty good. You can set the beeping off, you can set the vibrating off, but I would say it's pretty good for how much it costs. So I definitely would recommend it. Alright, thanks for watching guys, and see you on the next one.